Are you ready to unlock the incredible potential within you and manifest the life of your dreams? Today, I want to share with you my remarkable journey with the Genie Script program, a revelation that has completely transformed my life. Rooted in the powerful principles of Neurolinguistic Programming, which is known as NLP, the Genie Script program is a true game changer, and I can't wait to tell you about the incredible positive impact it had on my life. The Genie Script concept is like a breath of fresh air in the self-improvement landscape. It's all about harnessing the incredible potential of words and scripting to make your wildest aspirations a reality. The metaphor of the Genie Script perfectly captures the essence of this transformative process. By crafting specific language patterns, you can unlock your inner power and create the life you have always dreamed of. What sets this Genie Script program apart is its practicality. Unlike many self-help programs that remain in the realm of theory, this program offers actionable tools that anyone can use in their daily life. The step-by-step guide makes it accessible even for those new to NLP, and I found it incredibly easy to integrate these techniques into my daily routine. One of the most inspiring aspects of this program is the wealth of real-life success stories. Hearing how others have applied these techniques to overcome obstacles and achieve their goals was not just motivating but also providing a sense of community and support. It reinforced my belief in the power of Genie Script and spurred me on in my own journey. The results I have experienced since starting this program have been nothing short of phenomenal. My mindset has undergone a remarkable transformation, and I've noticed a significant shift in the way I approach challenges and opportunities. I've already seen tangible improvements in various areas of my life, from career success to personal relationships. If I were to offer any critique, it would be this: I wish I had discovered the Genie Script program sooner. It's truly a life-changing experience. The Genie Script program is a beacon of positivity and empowerment. It has enabled me to tap into a magic within myself and create the life I have always dreamed of. The transformative potential of scripting and language patterns is a revelation, and I wholeheartedly recommend this program to anyone ready to embark on an extraordinary journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Embrace the magic of this Genie Script and watch your dreams become a reality. When considering purchasing the Genie Script program, it's essential to prioritize buying it exclusively from the official website, which I would be linking down in the description. Doing so ensures that you receive the authentic product complete with all the valuable resources, supports, and guarantees that come with it. The official website is the only reliable source for the most up-to-date version of the program, safeguarding you against potential counterfeit of incomplete copies that may be found elsewhere. Additionally, when you purchase from the official website, you can take advantages on any special offers, discounts, or bonuses that the creator may provide exclusively to their customers. To access the official website and make a secure purchase, as I said you, please check the description of the video below for the direct link, guaranteeing you a genuine and transformative experience with the Genie Script program. So at last, I would like to conclude saying the Genie Script program has been a game changer in my life, and I can't recommend it enough. If you are ready to unlock your inner power, transform your mindset, and manifest your dreams, give the Genie Script a try. Your journey to success and personal growth starts here. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey, and I look forward to hearing about your success with the Genie Script program. Please do subscribe. Have a great day.